Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be trying out MADAM GLAM Gel Polishes. We're going to be using these three colors here, and then we're going to be testing out the base coat and the gel top coat. So the first color here is called Mahalo, and this is a beautiful, gorgeous blue color, and these colors are all from the Glamorous Paradise collection. So that is the first color here, and look at that beautiful blue swatched. Isn't it gorgeous? It's like a bright, dusty blue. It's super pretty, like ocean water. And the next one is called Glam Vulcano, and it is a beautiful orangey brown, more of like a clay brown color, and it is stunning, and it goes perfectly with all three of these colors here. And this color is also perfect for the autumn season. And here is the next color. It is called Keep Palm, and I think these names are so fun. And it is a beautiful bright green, and the name says it all. It reminds me of a palm tree. And here is that color swatched. Such a beautiful green. I feel like all three of these colors are perfect for that autumn season. They're just bright and fun, and they remind me of fall, even though they have fun tropical vibe names. So we're going to start with the base coat. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in a little bit. So check out how pigmented and vibrant the color payoff is with these gel polishes with just one coat. You could easily get away with just one coat for a quick, easy gel mani, but I like to build up my nail just a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead with that second coat. And it is so buttery and pigmented. These colors are super easy to apply. And the brush, I don't know what kind of magic, if it's the brush and the gel formula combined, but it applies so well to the nail. Even with that first coat, it didn't apply patchy at all. So I could already tell you that I'm in love with this gel formula. It is by far the easiest gel formula polish I have ever used, and that is a big statement. And I'm really enjoying these colors, especially with the green that I'm using right now. That is a hard color to get really good color pigmented payoff, and it looked stunning with that one coat. And if these colors aren't your cup of tea, don't worry. MADAM GLAM has over 800 different colors. That's right, 800. I was shocked. There's so many beautiful colors on their website. So these MADAM GLAM gel polishes are also HEMA-free, 21-free, and they're also cruelty-free, which I really like that about these polishes. And if you ever had an allergy to gel polishes, definitely give MADAM GLAM a try, because the color payoff alone and the quality of these gel polishes are fantastic. So now we're going to go in and finish up this mani with the top coat. If you ever had any issues with peeling when you're just using the top coat, you can also do an extra step. You can do a base coat first, cure it, and then go in with your top coat and cure it. But I just find that I have really good luck with my top coat when I am using gel polishes and then a gel top coat. I tend not to have any peeling or anything like that. So I'm also going to try these gel base and the gel top coat using the dip powder method. I'm going to try and get that ready for you guys and put that on my channel next week because I'm really enjoying the base coat and the gel top coat. And the gel top coat, you will see in a second here, is super shiny and pretty. So overall, I really liked how these gel polishes performed, and I think this mani is so pretty. It is the perfect autumn to fall transition mani that I was looking for. It just reminds me of blue sky and then the leaves changing, and I just really enjoyed this mani so much. So I will link everything in the description box below with everything that I used. I'll link Madam Glam's website. They also have a VIP program, so definitely check that out. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!